To install the folding top, the vehicle must be standing on a flat surface. Place the folding top on a suitable support on the body. The support should be at least 1.70 meters long. Protect the rubber seals on both sides in the rear area. 2 hydraulic cylinders are installed on each side. Each of the 4 cylinders is attached with 2 pins and 2 clips. Caution: during installation, the hydraulic connections on the cylinder must always point towards the rear of the vehicle. Insert the upper hydraulic cylinder into the folding top hinge plate and secure it with a pin and clip. Insert the second pin and clip into the upper hydraulic cylinder. Now this hydraulic cylinder is fully mounted in the hinge plate. Make sure the hydraulic cylinders are correctly installed. Fit the lower hydraulic cylinder into the hinge plate. Insert the pin through the holes in the hinge plate and cylinder and secure with a clip. The second cylinder pin is inserted later. Position the 2 hydraulic cylinders on the other side. Attach sufficiently long straps to the hinge plate on both sides to provide handles. A third person removes the support. Insert the folding top into the body. In the process, the hinge plate with the hydraulic cylinders fitted is suspended in the anchor plate. Tighten the 3 hinge plate fastening bolts hand tight on both sides. Remove the straps. For servicing work on the folding top, the service literature describes defined folding top positions. Move the folding top manually into position 2. To do this, guide the folding top as far as the roof front header panel and move the folding top tension bow into the service position and fix it. Fasten the hydraulic line and the folding top wiring harness with cable ties at the marked locations. Connect the folding top electrical plug connector. Pull the cylinder rod out until it corresponds with the holes in the hinge plate. Fit the pin and secure it with a clip. After repeating these steps on the other side, the electrical system is reconnected and the hydraulic system fully installed. Check hinge plate orientation. The hinge plate must rest fully on the anchor plate. Caution: first of all, always check manually whether the folding top can be moved. If the kinematic mechanism is functioning, tighten the 3 fastening bolts of the folding top with the specified torque. Reconnect the battery. Check that the folding top electrical system is working properly. Finally, replace all trim and the whole rear seat. The folding top is now fully functional again.